Today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a home facial using your kitchen ingredients. It's summertime and a fruit that is available in summer is muskmelon. So by using muskmelon, I'm going to show you how to do a facial. First step of the facial is cleansing. Cleansing deeply cleans our face so it becomes ready to absorb the nutrition which we are going to give in next step of the facial through massage cream and face pack. For cleansing, we are going to use raw milk. The packaged milk that we use, before heating it, just keep 1/4 cup of it aside. This is your raw milk. Now we are going to dip a cotton in this raw milk and start cleansing our face starting from our neck. In upward movements, we have to clean our face in this way. Most of the cleansers available in market has lactic acid in it. Here we have lactic acid naturally available in the milk. Raw milk also has fat content in it. Along with deeply cleaning our face, raw milk also helps to nourish our skin, making it soft and supple. If you have oily skin, instead of using raw milk, you can use normal milk. If you do not know your skin type, I've already made a video on how to determine your skin type. I'm giving the link of it here in I button and also in the description box. You can check out that video and know your skin type and accordingly proceed with the facial further. Second step of the facial is scrubbing or exfoliation. Scrubbing helps to remove dead skin cells, increase the blood circulation, and it gives a beautiful glow to your face. For this scrubbing, we are going to use muskmelon seeds. For this, take the muskmelon seeds in a blender and blend it to a fine paste. Now take 2-3 teaspoons of this muskmelon seed paste. Add 1 teaspoon of rice flour to it. Mix it well. If it feels dry, add few more teaspoons of muskmelon seed paste to it. Mix it well and your facial scrub is ready. Due to muskmelon seeds, our scrub has natural beads in it. Now let's start scrubbing your face from neck. In this way, you have to scrub your face in upward movements. You have to do it very gently. Scrubbing removes dead skin cells, increases blood circulation in face and gives a beautiful glow to your face. Do the scrubbing except your eye area. Once I'm done with the scrubbing, I'm going to wash my face and now see a beautiful glow on my face just with the scrubbing. Now we have done cleansing and scrubbing of our face. We have removed the dirt and pollution from our face and we have also removed the dead skin cells. Now our face is ready with a layer of new skin cells which need nourishment. So third step of our facial is massage. For this, we need to prepare a massage cream. For this, take 2-3 teaspoons of plain curd and strain it through a cotton cloth so that all the water content is removed and we get a thick yogurt. Now transfer this yogurt in a bowl. And in this, we are going to add puree of muskmelon. For this, take some pieces of muskmelon and blend it through a blender to a fine puree. Now in this yogurt, add 2 teaspoons of this muskmelon puree and mix it well. Now your facial massage cream is ready. Take this massage cream on your fingers and start massaging in upward direction in this way.
We need to do this facial massage gently starting from her neck. We have added fruit in this facial cream. That's why it has natural active ingredients and antioxidants in it, which gives nourishment to our skin. Facial massage is anti-aging. It helps to reduce the wrinkles. While doing facial massage, we get acupressure on our face, which increases blood circulation in our face.
In this process, our skin gets deep relaxation and rejuvenation. To avoid premature aging and wrinkles on your face, you can do this facial once in a week. And this kind of facial massage alternate days.
We are going to do this massage around the eyes as well, gently with the ring finger. This reduces under eye circles and gives deep relaxation to your eyes. You need to do this massage gently.
Fourth step of our facial is taking steam. We are going to keep the massage cream as it is on our face and then take the steam. Steam opens up all our skin pores, so all the nutrients in the massage cream can get absorbed in our skin. After taking the steam, wash your face with water. Fifth step of our facial is face pack or face mask. After massage and steam, our skin pores get opened up. Blood circulation is increased, sebaceous glands get activated and they start secreting more oil. To balance this out or to cool this down, we are going to use face mask. If your massage cream is remaining, add 1 teaspoon of gram flour to it. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. If it feels dry, add 1 teaspoon of curd to it and then mix it well. If you have oily skin, then instead of gram flour, you can add multani mitti to it. If your massage cream is over, then to make a face pack, take 2 teaspoons of muskmelon puree and curd each and then add 1 teaspoon of gram flour and honey to it. Then mix it well. Apply this face pack all over your face and neck, excluding eyes. Once you have applied face mask, put wet cotton balls or wet tissue papers on your eyes and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. It is very important that you lie down and relax after applying the face pack. When the face pack is semi-dry, wash your face and see a beautiful glow of this facial on your face. If you like this video, please click on like button and also subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so every time I post a new video, you will get notification and you can watch all my videos. And please do comment and tell me if you like this facial, have you tried it and did you find it better than the Parlour facial? Thank you.